Like my backpack. What up, y'all? I'm out bike riding right now, and I'm just sitting down, taking a break. And I just figured to make a video because I'm in a really cool spot right now. It's like a nice little sitting area, nice chill out area, whatever. It's like really warm out right now, so it's perfect temperature, not too hot, not too cold. Not too many bugs around, so it's good. And I wish you guys could smell what's behind me. I'm sure you can see. It smells really nice out here. It smells like pretty flowers. Here, I'll give you guys a shot of what I'm looking at. So I'll go from behind me. Nice little flowers in back there. Somewhere over there, there's like a park. Oh, can I see it? Way back there, you can kind of see it. Yeah, there's a park where kids can play. And yeah, lots of flowers. Sorry. Where was I? There's some more flowers over here too. Can't forget all those flowers. There's a nice little walking path in here. This little bridge over there, homemade waterfall. Pond, but you can't really see it. You can walk up top there. It's kind of like a grassed area just to sit down and hang out at, I guess. And up there, past those trees, there's like a walking path where those people are walking. And yeah, this is where I'm at. It's really, really nice out here. So I just wanted to make a video because I'm out and about, and yeah, I just want to show you guys the nice view and all the pretty stuff. It makes me feel good, like going to places like this and just kind of relaxing, I guess. Not really having any plans, nothing to do. I have no schedules, nothing. Just going for a bike ride and hanging out by myself, listening to music, and it's good. I like it. It's what keeps me going, I guess. I love just doing nothing and enjoying what nature gives me. I'm all about nature. Love the outdoors, gotta tell ya. Winter time though, not so much a fan, but still like it. Still good. So yeah, I'm gonna go finish my bike ride, and so I can go upload this and talk to you guys later. See ya.